Hello everyone! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So meron po akong good news sa inyo and finally naglabas na ng official statement ang CFO kung saan yung mga Filipino na meron pong foreign national partner or fiancé or spouse na for tourist lang naman yung travel or kapag non-immigrant visa naman yung hawak natin, ay hindi na natin kailangan pa ng CFO Guidance and Counseling Certificate starting September 3, 2023. So naglabas po sila ng official statement kahapon ata yun. And makikita natin sa Facebook page nila, ito nga po yung CFO advisory nila. Filipino spouses and partners of foreign nationals with tourist or non-immigrant visas are no longer required to get CFO Guidance and Counseling Certificate. So, actually, meron ako nabasang news, bagong news talaga na starting September or first week of September, medyo may bagong guidelines ang Philippine Immigration. And ito, kasama na to siya sa bagong guidelines nila na kung saan hindi na nila hahanapan pa ng CFO, Guidance and Counseling Certificate, yung mga Filipino na for tourist lang naman or non-immigrant visa naman yung hawak nila. So sabi dito, as part of CFO's commitment to enhance its delivery of frontline services and pursuant to the 2023 revised Interagency Council Against Trafficking Guidelines on Departure Formalities for International-Bound Filipino Passengers, Filipino spouses and other partners of foreign nationals holding tourist or non-immigrant visas are no longer required to undergo the CFO Guidance and Counseling Program starting September 3, 2023. Filipino spouses and other partners of foreign nationals traveling with tourist or non-immigrant visas can proceed directly to the airport and present to the Bureau of Immigration their proof of sponsorship and other documents that their travel is for a limited period of time. So of course, kailangan pa rin natin ng mga travel documents na talagang short term lang or tourist lang talaga or non-immigrant, hindi pa kayo magmamigrate, kailangan pa rin natin yun siyang i-provide sa Philippine Immigration. Kindly be advised that international bound travelers with J1 visa holders bound for the USA, spouse or fiancé or partner visa, immigrant, long-term or permanent residence visas, and au pair visa holders bound for Europe are still required to undergo the mandatory pre-departure registration of the Commission. So of course, kapag for example, J1 visa yung hawak natin, spouse visa, fiancé visa yung hawak natin, or family reunification visa, immigrant, long-term or permanent residence visa, and also yung au pair visa, ay kailangan pa rin po natin mag-undergo ng pre-departure orientation seminar or PDOS ng CFO. So, yun po yung bago nilang advisory or announcement. And ayun nga, finally, 'di ba? Meron na tayong sa mga nagme-message sa akin, sa mga nagko-comment. Finally, meron ng sure na sagot sa mga tanong kung kailangan pa ba talaga ng CFO GCP kapag for tourist lang or for visit lang yung travel with foreign national partners. So, ayun na po yung sagot, and kung meron po kayong mga questions or clarifications, i-comment nyo lang po. Thank you po for watching. Bye-bye!